How to half swipe on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can half swipe on Snapchat. So for those of you wondering what half swipe is, it is basically a way on how you can read Snapchat messages without opening them. So in order to half swipe, first of all, let's go to our chats and then locate the chat which we want to read without opening. So in order to half swipe or read the chat without opening, all you have to do is hold on their Bitmoji for less than a second and then quickly swipe to the right and don't release it. That way you will be able to read the message without opening it. So let me show you. So this is basically how you half swipe or read messages without opening. So as you can see, I can clearly see the message what the person has sent me, and now if I back out, it will show that the message is unread. So the other person won't see that this message has been read, but in reality you have already read the message. So that is basically how you half swipe or see message without opening or Snapchat. Let me show you once again. Tap on their Bitmoji for less than a second, and as soon as you tap on their Bitmoji, quickly swipe to the right and then don't release your finger. So just like this, you will be able to half swipe on Snapchat. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.